You may assume intimacy ends the moment the physical act concludes, but in truth, what unfolds afterward is where the deeper narrative begins, and most men never anticipate it. Welcome to Talia Talks Love, where we explore the hidden dynamics of attraction and connection. Today, we're examining what truly happens on an emotional and psychological level when a man reaches release, and why its impact goes far beyond what many understand. The aftermath of intimacy carries far more emotional weight than it appears on the surface. While the physical experience may conclude, it sets off a chain of subtle yet powerful sensations that linger in both mind and body. In that precise moment of release, there is a unique blend of openness and relief. This combination creates a gateway to trust and emotional closeness. It's not merely about physical pleasure, it's about feeling completely seen and accepted in a state of full vulnerability. The mind interprets this as safety, leaving a lasting imprint that extends beyond the physical act. What happens immediately afterward matters just as much. Gentle gestures, a calm presence, soft touch, or reassuring words can intensify this emotional imprint, making the connection feel deeper and more meaningful. The subconscious begins to associate the experience with emotional security, which is why these moments often feel reflective, weighty, and unforgettable. Even without verbal expression, the energy shared communicates care, recognition, and respect, leaving an impression that resonates long after the moment has passed. Recognizing this emotional dimension reveals that intimacy is far more than a physical exchange. It is a profound psychological experience capable of strengthening trust, closeness, and connection. The psychological effects extend well beyond the act itself. At its peak, the mind processes more than sensation. It registers trust, vulnerability, and emotional alignment. The moment of release can trigger a wave of feelings even if they remain beneath conscious awareness, creating a sense of closeness that is difficult to articulate. Subtle elements such as attentiveness, presence, and responsiveness send powerful signals to the subconscious, reinforcing feelings of safety and acceptance. This explains why the same physical experience can feel entirely different depending on the emotional context. The brain forms associations between the act and the emotions present in that moment. Care, focus, and emotional awareness deepen the experience, while distraction or detachment can diminish it. Biological factors also play a role. Hormones like oxytocin strengthen this process, forming neural pathways that link the experience with bonding and trust. Even small details, eye contact, a gentle touch, a soft tone, can significantly shape how the moment is remembered. Ultimately, this psychological layer transforms a purely physical interaction into something meaningful and lasting. At the heart of intimacy lies trust and vulnerability, elements that extend far beyond what most people consciously notice. Allowing someone into such closeness is an act of deep trust, a silent acknowledgement that it is safe to be fully seen without fear of judgment. This openness activates strong emotional responses, creating a sense of security that lingers well beyond the physical experience. Vulnerability is not a weakness. It is evidence of a connection strong enough to support honesty and exposure. The way attention is given during these moments, through care, presence, and subtle gestures, reinforces that trust, making the experience feel significant and affirming. Every small action sends signals to the subconscious, communicating safety, respect, and acknowledgement. When trust is honored, the emotional impact can be profound, leaving a lasting and comforting impression. On the other hand, inattention or disengagement can weaken that trust, reducing the depth of the experience. The exchange of attention during intimacy creates a feedback loop, deepening emotional closeness and shaping how the mind remembers not just the act, but the feeling of being valued and understood. There is also a noticeable shift in energy after intimacy, subtle yet powerful. At the moment of release, the body begins to relax, breathing slows, and tension dissolves, creating a calm that spreads throughout the mind. This shift signals more than physical relaxation. It marks a transition from intensity to introspection. feelings of calm, satisfaction, or even emotional heaviness may arise, amplified by the awareness of shared vulnerability. This unspoken shift communicates acceptance and presence in a way the subconscious deeply registers. It can also strengthen feelings of attachment, forming a quiet bond that extends beyond the physical moment. Simple actions during this phase, lingering touch, eye contact, or soft words, can elevate the experience, turning a brief encounter into a lasting emotional imprint. Conversely, abrupt withdrawal or lack of attention can disrupt this connection, weakening its impact. Understanding this shift is essential, as it is the psychological bridge that transforms physical closeness into emotional depth. Another powerful yet often overlooked aspect is subconscious bonding. At the point of release, hormones such as oxytocin are released, fostering a natural sense of closeness and attachment. This chemical response does more than create physical pleasure. It embeds a sense of emotional safety within the mind. The subconscious begins linking the experience with trust, comfort, and acceptance, forming a memory that can influence future emotions and behavior. Even the smallest gestures, gentle touch, continued presence, or kind words are interpreted as signals of care, strengthening this bond. The mind does not simply recall the physical sensation, it remembers the emotional environment in which it occurred. Over time, these subtle impressions accumulate, shaping how intimacy is perceived and how future connections are experienced. This explains why such moments can feel deeply significant, sometimes even transformative. They become associated with safety, trust, and emotional connection. Nonverbal communication plays a crucial role in all of this, often carrying more weight than words. Every movement, touch, and shift in energy conveys meaning, sending signals of attention and connection. A lingering hand, a gentle embrace, or simply staying present communicates trust and closeness without the need for language. The body itself becomes a form of expression, translating emotion into signals that the subconscious readily absorbs. Even brief eye contact or subtle changes in breathing can convey reassurance and attentiveness. These nonverbal cues enhance the emotional and psychological depth of the experience, reinforcing feelings of safety and attachment. When presence and attentiveness continue after the act, the subconscious interprets this as validation, strengthening the bond. In contrast, distraction or disengagement can signal disinterest, diminishing the emotional impact. This silent form of communication ultimately shapes how the experience is remembered and how trust continues to grow. In the end, intimacy is never just about the physical act. It serves as a gateway into deeper emotional and psychological connection. Every gesture, pause, and moment of presence before, during, and after leaves an imprint on the subconscious, shaping memories that endure long after the body relaxes. The act itself is only the beginning. It is the emotional aftermath, the subtle energy shifts, and the unspoken communication that truly define the experience. Awareness, care, and presence can transform a fleeting encounter into something meaningful, something that builds trust, closeness, and even lasting attachment. Understanding this changes everything. It reveals that real intimacy is not a single moment, but a sequence of signals, both conscious and unconscious, that communicate safety, respect, and emotional alignment. Those who approach intimacy with this awareness create experiences that are not only remembered, but deeply felt. If this perspective resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights from Talia Talks Love. And drop the word connection in the comments if you truly felt the depth of this.